In this video, we're going to take a look at the instructor view of Discuss and how the instructor can use some of the additional features as well. So I'm going to scroll down to access the Discuss section. We're going to look at allowing students to create their own topics. Allowing them to create their own topics actually gives them a little bit more options in a number of different ways. If I want to allow students to create their own topics, I would click on the Students Can Create Topics Off button to turn that on. And what that means is students will have the same options as you have here to create new topics within this section. So what that means is that if Discuss has been enabled, as in if it's already in an object, you can use this option as well as create your own topics. So let's say something happens in the news that you want to create a brand new discussion around it. This would be what you would use. So to create that new topic, and again, students will do it the same way. You'll click the Create New Topic button, and now you can add the topic title. And you can add additional items within the content area. Now you have many, many more options for formatting here than you do in the replies and responses. As you'll notice, you've got pictures as well, but you can also do tables, you can do special characters. If you're doing mathematics, you can use the Virus editor to create mathematical equations that will display here. Paste from text as well as Word. Again, spell check. And some other more advanced items which we're not going to talk about right now, but you can also use the iframe, so you can put iframed content there. And if you are comfortable with HTML formatting and HTML programming, you can use the source to do additional programming in this section. So if that's something you know about, you'll be able to try that out and see how it works. You can also link to other learning objects and attachments. So both of those, as well as remove formatting. So if you run into an issue where the formatting just doesn't quite look right, you can remove that. You can also do indents, as well as numbered lists and bullets. So I'd encourage you to take a look at this to see what you're comfortable with using. If not, you can always just use the basics. But again, students can do this too. So this offers a lot of flexibility when using discussions, when allowing students to create their own topics, because they have a lot more that they can do, especially if formatting is important. Once that's completed, then you click Create, and that creates a whole nother topic, which actually shows up here at the very top. So each new one goes to the top of that list. So that questions was the original one, and as you remember from before, it says automated post. That's the one that was created with the course content, but because I just created this one, it's showing that it's my new one, and it shows who created it and the picture. So again, that's also a really good reason why we should have pictures, because you can see who created those along with the name. So that's how you use the Create New Topic and how instructors can turn that on to give students that kind of access and the ability to create topics of their own.